Sarykum is the largest sand dune in Europe. Its length is 12 kilometers and its width is about 4 kilometers. The dune is over 250 meters high. Sarykum is the only place in Dagestan where for 5 months, from May to September, the average monthly temperatures exceed 20 degrees Celsius. This is due to the fact that the sandy surface is heated by the sun and the sand accumulates heat well. In summer, the temperature on the surface of the dune reaches 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Sarykum literally translates from the Cumic language as yellow sand. It fully justifies its name. Yellow dunes are visible from a distance of many kilometers. On this dune took refuge more than 1,000 different species of animals, birds, insects, and almost as many species of plants. Sarykum is considered to be the natural wonder. At the moment, there is no definitive scientific explanation as to how there could appear a sandy dune. Scientists suggest that the dune was created for many millions of years, during which the wind blew sand from the crumbling sandy rocks of the nearby mountains and carried it to one place.